Hi, it's Alana from Bako Art. So tonight I am going to try and redo the big flower, pink flower Dutch pour that I did in one of my previous videos, which I scraped, which now I wish I hadn't have. So if you watch that video, you'll know it's my mother has asked me to do it for my sister for her for Christmas, sorry. And I've been putting it off and so I did it, didn't like it, scraped it. Now I want to try and recreate something similar to what I did. So I did change up the colours a little bit and we'll see how that goes. So straight into it, I've put down white house paint, which is white house paint 1 part to 2 parts of Australian floetrol, and I've blown out the air bubbles. So now we're just going to try. Okay, I'll list the colours in the description. I'll be happy with that amount of paint now, I think. Okay, so I'm not going to blow the colours over, but I'm going to just give them a little bit of a pillow to flow over. Okay, I don't know if I try the hairdryer because it's a bigger. I'm going to just give it one quick go. The only thing I don't like is, see here where it sort of skips the white with the white, and then I've got no white, like these are just kind of solid colours. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so here's the finished result. I'm keeping it, I am not scraping it, I'm happy with it, I think she will like it. So lots of nice lacing and cells. It looks a lot darker on the screen, it looks quite red. On here it looks pinker, which was the brief, which is good. So yeah, look, I'll keep you posted on what the mother says when I do the dried result. Obviously I've kept the centre white. I will make a decision on that when it's dry. I did try to put a bit of copper as a trial, and it just kind of mixed in with the white too much and I didn't like it. So look, I'll either leave it white or paint it, make a decision when it's dry. Okay, just one more thing before I go. Just let me pick this up. I normally like to put one of these fold up net things over the top, but this, I don't have one big enough for this painting, so I'm just going to rig something up and show you some alternatives. Or one alternative that you can use if you don't have a net. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is what I've set up. So I've got 2 blank canvases, or if you had a board or something you could use, or a cardboard or anything. And I have, as you can see, I've put cups under, and there's my painting underneath. Okay, so that's the best that I can do with this size. So yeah, just cups on either side and all the corners. Just protect it a little bit from the dust and stuff like that, and hopefully any bugs. Now you can, if you want, put something over the top of that. So a cloth or something like that, and then it'll sort of seal it off. So anyway, just a little tip. All right, I'll see you when it's dry. Okay, so here we are with the dried result. So I ended up blowing out the edges just a little bit more, so it might look slightly different to when I filmed it when it was wet. So I just blew this all out a little bit more. All right, so this is how it's dried. Ended up with like a bit of a textury bit in the middle there. I'm not really sure why. Maybe one of the paints interacted somehow, I don't know, but it's okay because it's all just in that center area there. I obviously haven't done anything with the middle yet. I'll just show you. I have painted some just pieces of paper with some options that I was thinking of. Let me just put them out. Okay, so and then what I'll do is I'm going to cut them out into a circle, and then I can stick it in the middle there and see which one looks best. I'll go over to my mother's this week and we'll have a look at that. I think this one or this one are going to probably get a little bit lost with all of the rest of the pink. So probably be going for a gold or the copper. So let me know what you think in the comments. This is a metallic blush. This is a metallic rose. Then I've got copper and gold. So yeah, let me know your opinion and I will keep you updated with which one I go with. All right, so thanks for joining me and I will see you next time.